What's up guys, I'm back. This video is long overdue, but I finally finished the 3-link, 4-link setup on my Jeep, and I just want to show you guys. Sorry it's dirty, I never cleaned it. As you can see in my build videos, it's been dirty the whole time. But this is the finished look. I did do hydro assist steering and I'm already ready to do full hydro. And stay tuned for me doing my roll cage, and I will be trying to post videos weekly. I've just been caught up with life, you know how it is. But yeah, enjoy the finished look. If you guys do have any questions or comments about my build, I will be replying to comments within 24 hours of them being posted, so let me know if you guys have any questions.